Hey guys, welcome back. Today I got something special. I got this in the mail yesterday, and I was really excited to do a review on it. Just a quick unboxing review. But for some reason, when I was looking at getting some new Xbox controllers, this one stuck out. I just thought it looked super dope. This blue is ridiculous. But real quick, I just kind of wanted to give you guys a quick review on this in case you're in the market for looking for one of these. I think I paid, what was it, $54 on Amazon. They have a bunch of different colors. They had a red one, which also looked super dope. If you Red Dead fans, wanted a nice red model. But this blue one, it looks super cool. So I'll get right into it. This, actually, before I forget, guys, please, if you could hit subscribe, like, and if you want to comment, that'd be great. It's definitely going to help my channel expand. And I hope you guys look forward to future videos that I have coming down the road. So, without further ado, let's check this this unboxing out. Like I said, this is the blue model wireless Xbox controller. I'm not sure how long it's been out. I've noticed it, seen emails and stuff previously for this, so it's been out for quite a while. But it's still a great controller, addition to your current Xbox One, Xbox One S, and all the other Xbox One models that they have. So the packaging is, pretty nice. It just tells you it's a wireless controller. It does say it comes with, I don't know if you can see that if it's focusing, but it does say it comes with 2 AA batteries, and that you get one blue controller. On the back side, just gives you some other information in a bunch of different languages. So the packaging is, pretty standard. So let's go ahead and open this up. And it has a nice little fold action here, and then bam, look at that. This controller is so dope. I don't know, I love this color blue. So let's take this out of the packaging here. It comes with 2 AA batteries right below it. We'll move that over there. Just give you guys a quick look at this controller here. Now they even did the D-pad in blue, which is nice. They didn't do it black. You get the little black rubber grips on top of your analog sticks, which is nice. Now I'd be curious to see if this lights up blue or if it's the traditional green. Got your pairing button in the back and your normal, your normal controls. Everything feels pretty good. Everything is brand new. It's so weird after using your original controllers that come with your Xbox for so long. It's so weird to pick up, a new controller and feel how tight the controls actually are compared to, your worn out controls that you have in your controller. And I really didn't even notice it until I had some folks over and we were playing we were playing some Fortnite, and I used one of their controllers. And the joysticks were so tight. I'm like, man, mine are so loose. It's hard to aim. I wasn't getting on target fast enough. So it might be time for you to upgrade a controller. If so, you want to be different. This will help you stand out. And if you're playing with a bunch of people, it's nice to have your own controller that you can easily pick out and pick up. So looks like the A, B, X, Y buttons are definitely also have a nice blue tint to them inside, which is super cool. And then your standard ports on the back. And then if we look back in the box here, we will see we have the 2 AA batteries, and then underneath we just have some pamphlets. What's cool about Xbox now is with Windows 10, you can actually stream your games through Windows 10 and actually pair your remote up with your computer. So you can actually play your Xbox games, if you're in the same house, through your Windows 10 laptop, which I find kind of awesome. So if, let's say, your Xbox is on a TV and someone else is using one of the other inputs on that TV, you could definitely still play on a laptop, which is pretty dope. And you can also use these on Windows 10, so that's also pretty awesome. But real quick, I want to throw these batteries in real quick, if I can open this up. And then I just want to see if the light is green on the Xbox logo when you set that up. So just give me 1 second. Pop this guy off. Boom. And looks like we have minus, minus, plus, plus. There we go. We got our batteries in. Let's check this out. Oh man, yeah. It's definitely got like a white to a bluish tint to it, which is pretty sick. The other standard one is green. Actually, no, I think it's still white, but the logo right here, the stripe is green, so it makes it look a little green. So that's definitely cool. But like I said, I just wanted to show you guys a quick overview of this blue controller. If you're in the market for a new one, check this out. It's definitely nice, nice little change up from the original just straight black or straight white controller that you might have received with your Xbox. But yeah, definitely check these out. They even have custom ones. You can even customize the colors of these. They're a little bit more expensive. Like I said, this was like $54. You start getting into the Elite controllers where you can customize your button layout. Those are like $120, I think. And then you can the custom color ones, I'm not sure on the price, but you can, I mean, you could pick whatever color theme you want. You know, if you're a sports fan, you can color it out to the color of your team, which is pretty neat. So definitely liking what Xbox is doing, making the actual OEM controllers you know, cool like this by making different colors. So yeah, man, if you guys like the blue, go check it out. I'll drop a link down below for the Amazon link where I purchased it, but you can purchase it really anywhere. GameStop, Best Buy, all those vendors sell the accessories, so definitely check it out. And guys, please definitely hit subscribe. Check out my other videos. I have a ton of other tech reviews and just random reviews on my channel. And definitely like or comment. If you want to see a specific video, let me know. I'll try to get it done. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.